Hello, good morning to all of you. What's up, guys? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to this channel. In this job, we will discuss what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements, and what is the country from which the job openings. So let's start. This is a urgent job vacancies from African country. So the job is CSD machine operator. So guys, I would like to request you, if you have a plan to move abroad with a job and if you have a CSD machine operator, then don't miss this chance. Try to apply. Once you apply, you can attend the interview. Once you crack the interview, you will get a notifications to process for the visa and all the tickets. So I hope if you are belongs to the same professionals, you will apply as soon as possible. So before that, we should know what is the information regarding job openings. This is the urgent job vacancies for CSD machine operator in Africa. Urgent requirement for a reputed FMCG company in CONGO, Africa. Shortlisting in progress. Virtual interview. Pre-recruitment. That means the visa and ticket will be provided by the company. CSD machine operator is the job profile. Salary per month $900 basic salary plus $200 local allowance, which will be in Indian currency 75,653.55 INR, and the local allowance will be 16,811.90 INR Indian rupees. Let's focus what is the requirements to apply for this job. To apply this job, for this job, you should have a diploma or bachelor's in mechanical engineering and minimum of 5 years of experience in a CSD plant with hands up on expertise in syrup preparations, blending CIP systems, tanks, pumps, mixers, auto CIP operations, pre-mix filling machines, and line startup. Basic knowledge of quality control with strong problem solving, communications, and teamwork skills, capable of performing simple tests and adapting to the fast-paced environments, while prioritizing safety and continuous improvement. Salary will be paid quarterly with US dollar 200 deducted monthly for 6 months as a security deposit. Refundable at the end of the contract. Passport must be have minimum of 2 years for validity. Benefits: accommodation and transportation are provided by the company. If you wish to apply for the desired positions, you can apply by this official email ID. After you apply, please try to contact by this contact number which is given below. So you will be get clarifications about your application form. So this is the official websites, and you can visit the websites for this requirement. So I would like to request you, if you are a CST machine operator and if you want to move abroad with his job, then this is a best opportunity. Don't miss this. Apply as soon as possible. Make your CV be professional. Mention your experience, your qualifications, your certifications, all the details, and apply by forwarding your CV with a cover letter to the given official email ID. After you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a call for the interview. If you want to contact for this job information, you can directly contact to the office, and this is the official websites. So I hope you get all the information regarding this job openings. If you have a plan to move abroad, then visit to the office, and you can contact to the office also. This is the official number, official email ID. All the details are right here in front of you, and I will suggest you, please go to the description below this video. All information is there. Read it carefully again. Collect the official email ID, official contact number, official websites. All the details are right there, and apply as soon as possible so that your CV will be shortlisted and you will get a call for the interview. Once you crack the interview, your visa and ticket will be provided by the company. Will reach to the African country with a job with a good salary, and you can build your career in a professional way. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. And of course, in the next video, I'll try to give you the information regarding new job openings. Till then, best of luck. Goodbye.